Revolutionize your bandsaw and upgrade your woodworking capability with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kits. I'm product specialist Celeste here with the SCM 24-inch BS24 guide upgrade kit. This is an economical, easy-to-install solution that helps improve your performance, increase your blade life, and get straighter, faster cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. The SCM 24 kit comes with two micro-precision CP20 guides that are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy and a variety of bandwidths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch, and it's designed to fit the SCM 24-inch model and the BS24 saw. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your SCM aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory for parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.